What's up, guys? Being back again. 2017 Topps Gallery. I've not opened any of that. Haven't opened anything in a while. Haven't bought anything in a while. I think I told everybody on my last video I got pretty sick, and I just haven't been in the card mood, so that's what it is, I guess. It is what it is. So we got a pack of artist proof parallels. We will save it for last. Zach Greinke, Jacob DeGrom, Jake Thompson rookie, featured artist Mayumi Seto, I guess, and a Tyler Austin rookie. I'm not going to tell you I totally dig these cards. We're in them, but yeah. Jose Altuve, Christian Arroyo, rookie, Jim Palmer, Taiwan Walker, these don't feel as nice as the old galleries did to me. Porcello, Paul DeJong, I guess, rookie, Diaz, and Justin Bower. Yu Darvish, Aaron Nola, George Brett numbered to 99, Luke Weaver, rookie. Another Brett's numbered. David Price, Josh Donaldson, Greg Maddux masterpiece, Buster Posey, Justin Tallison or something, Ty Black rookie, Carlton Fisk, and Cargo. Last regular pack, Javi Baez, finally got a Brave, Keon Broxton, Aaron Judge, Topps Gallery Heritage, so that's a good card, and Matt's. So wonder if Judge will be as hot this year. And here's our artist proofs. Giancarlo Stanton, Gary All, Eric Thames, and Justin Bour. Probably said that wrong. Bit unexciting to me. Cool box. I mean, we did get a Judge card if nothing else. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Take care.